Hi everyone. Today we'll talking about quality control. Quality control is the vital part of product. If we if we buy any product, we have excellent quality of this product. We never want to call low quality or bad quality product. Therefore, the quality control is more important factor about the product. Today, I am trying to recover points which are production, sampling, difference between quality assurance and quality control. What is quality control? Total quality management, quality control tools, ISO certification, SOPs, documentation and audit. When we are thinking about quality control, we probably think about manufacturing. Good production is help to help to stay up to the business. And what is production? Production, the process and method used to transform tangible inputs into, and intangible inputs into finished products in the form of valuable goods and services. Tangible inputs means raw materials, sub-assemblies, and intangible inputs means ideas, information, experts' knowledge, which can help to the good production. Then sampling. Sampling is most needful during the quality control. Because of that, we get samples from factory or people who can produce the final product. Sampling, it is a perfect prototype of your design that reflects finalized specification, in which predetermined number of observations are taken from a large population. Sampling may contain various types. For example, start, middle and end. During production, there are several things are happens. Therefore, depending on sample type, every producer can fix their sampling types. Quality assurance and quality control. Quality assurance and quality control is interdependent to each other, which are not is equal to same. Quality assurance is set of activities ensuring for quality in process, and quality control is set of activities ensuring quality in product. Here are some differences between quality control and quality assurance. Quality assurance is process oriented and quality control is product oriented. Quality assurance is preventing defects and quality control detecting defects. Quality assurance is a verification process and quality control is a validation process. Quality assurance perform in parallel with the process and quality control perform after the final product is ready. During quality assurance, everyone's responsibility, and quality control, testing teams is only responsible for quality control. Today I am focusing on quality control processes. Quality control is a key component of well-run business. Quality control may, whether it is product type or service type, both both have required quality control. What is quality control? Quality control is the process that maintaining standards in manufactured products by testing a sample of the output against the specification. Allows you to ensure the conformity of a product or services. Quality control produce the confirmation about the product. Quality control monitors not only the product itself. Quality control person have different responsibilities also. They they have ideas about how to produce the product, then where it is stored, and how it is transported. Transported, that means what? How we transport from company or factory to the customers in good conditions. Store store means quality control decide the storage conditions of product. There are the different conditions where it is products to be stored, like cool and dry places, at room temperature, at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Then quality management. Total quality management include cost management, quality improvements, quality equipments, quality assurance, quality control, quality planning, and quality training. Cost management. When when someone is produced their product and they have to compulsory to their quality is important, because without quality certificate no one can buy their products in market or services in market. So they have to check their quality, but they have they have designed their cost. Quality improvement. Quality control persons improve their qualities every time. Without improvement, they are producing their quality as like bad quality, low quality. They are improve their quality as a excellent quality. Then quality equipment. When we are using equipment during quality control, the equipment is compulsory, calibrated and validated, because we cannot use equipment over due date. Sometimes they have require their equipment maintenance services, because we use which equipment that give your best results. Quality assurance. Quality assurance is activities which ensure quality in process. Then quality control. Quality control is ensure product quality. Quality planning. Everyone means every producers, every factories, every services have their plan for quality, good quality product. Then quality training. If new employees is joined, the quality control persons have give training to the quality, giving to the quality in new employee, because when quality control person working in, they have to know everything about the quality. Quality control tools. The different tools which are included during the quality control. There are 7 primary quality control tools which include. First one is a checklist. A checklist is a basic quality tool that is used to collect data. Why we make checklist? Because of collecting data, like how sample is produced, how is carried out, how sampling procedure is carried out. They make they make checklist for quality control. Then fishbone diagram. This visual is helpful for determining what causes a specific problem. During quality control testing, there is sometimes problems are occurs. Therefore, they make fishbone diagram. The problems may occur due to materials, machines, methods, or human error. And control chart. Control chart, control chart used to study how a process changes over time, in control or out of control. During processes, there may get results like out of control. They have to put their control chart. Stratification. Stratification means what? They do this step by step work. That means instead of looking at all factors together, they not doing all work together. Stratification separating data. They separate data and then they work out simply. In Pareto chart. A Pareto chart is a bar graph of data showing the largest number of frequencies to the smallest. It is to see how to prioritize improvement efforts. A Pareto chart is a bar graph of data showing the largest number of frequencies to the smallest. When some frequencies are coming and coming, therefore the Pareto chart is made and they simplify this data. In histogram. Histogram, the most commonly used graph for showing frequency distributed or how often different value in a set of data occurs. One thing against another. Histogram distribute the frequency and Pareto chart distribute the frequencies to this large frequencies to the smallest frequencies. Scatter diagram. Scatter diagram are the best way to represent the value of two different variables. ISO certification. International Organization for Standardization. ISO 9000 defines a part of quality management focused on fulfillment of quality requirements. These numbers are changed while the ISO revised their standard. Now ISO 9001:2015 specifies requirements for quality management system. Every company have their own quality objective and quality policy under the ISO certification. Due to ISO certification, the quality requirements are same to everyone which are giving products or services. which standard is used by organizations to demonstrate their ability to consistently provide products and services that meet customer and regulatory requirements and to demonstrate continuous improvement. Due to ISO certification, due to this standardization, every organization demonstrate continuous improvements because ISO revise their standard with improvements. Then SOPs, standard operating procedures. In short, SOP is like a guide for work in some companies which have their SOPs. What is SOPs? SOP is a set of step-by-step instructions compiled by an organization to help persons carry out complex routine operations. That means what I told, SOPs is a guide for person. SOPs aim to achieve efficiency, quality output, and uniformity of performance, reducing miscommunication and failure to be compile with industry regulations. Due to SOPs, when we are working 10 people togetherly, but SOPs are common. Therefore, there is no miscommunication happen or failure to compile with industry regulations because everyone have to work there like SOPs. For example, SOPs for instrument handling, for environmental monitoring, for growth promotion test, and there are too many SOPs for smaller to biggest activities. Like when we are working in lab, they have SOPs for entry and exit. All persons which are enter into the lab, they have follow the standard SOPs, which are standard operating procedure, which given to the person. Documentation. Documentation is also very important part during the quality control because we do quality control work, we have to show evidence in documentation. We have to write or we where do, like we take some pH, we have to write there, then we have to write on time and sign. Documentation is material that provides official information or evidence or that serve as a record. When we are do some work, we have to record it. Then audit. Quality audit is a review and evaluation of all parts of quality system with the specific purpose of improving it. Audit means what? Some persons come and take evaluation or inspection for improving good quality product. Internal audit and external audit. There have two types of audit. Sometimes the internal person take audit or sometimes the external person, that means the customers come and take audit. It is independent function established by organizations management to appraise and evaluate the company's activity and monitor to its control. Then during quality control, we will check production, then sampling, then quality assurance, quality control, then quality control tools, quality control management. There is a ISO certifications, then SOPs, then last one is documentations and audit. All the QC person should be go through all duties. And last is the QC persons doing work is checked by authorized person. For approved products, there have presence of authorized person. QC is always checked and approved by authorized person to avoid human error. Sometimes it may occur errors by humans or due to by manpower. The QC person check and avoid this. And last one is quality and the product approved by quality control. Because of all these, we produced our product excellent. Thank you.